Okay, guys, so if you ever get to a situation where you're like, oh man, these belts are way too long, and you can't seem to find the size that you need. Actually, that is not a problem. There's some DIYs that you could do where so if you see these type of belts with these two screws in there, these are actually adjustable. So I've done this actually already. This is way too long for my waist size, so you could unscrew these two screws right here, and then what happens is that this is what the original attachment looks like. Once you unscrew it, it goes on like this. Once you unscrew it, you can then kind of just cut off the length that you don't want. So I've already cut it here, and then what you have to do is once you cut it, obviously you have to make sure that you create this indentation right here in the middle, and then just mark. You don't really need to mark the holes. What happens is that I would just put in the attachment to the belt, and then just screw on the screws, and it'll stay in place. So this is just a quick tip in case you ever need you can't find the size of belt that you need. It's just a quick DIY. So you need to do it. There you go.